Okay, today we're going to be unboxing the G915 TKL. This edition is the GL Linear Lightspeed LightSync. It's supposed to be a wireless keyboard with a wired feel, which is amazing. I'm going to be unboxing this today. Let's see what it comes with. Ooh, nicely packaged. With the money you spent, they better. Get this out. Alright. Nice and tight. Light the edges. It's definitely heavy. I can feel it's a lot heavier than my old keyboard. Comes with a wire. Seems to be a micro USB. I don't know why they haven't opted out for Type S's. There's what appears to be a dongle, but it also has a USB attachment. It's probably just an adapter. You could probably get one of these in the store. I guess they wanted to be fancy with it. It's also pretty cool. So this is probably where the Lightspeed comes from. I think I remember their old, it's one of the old Logitech wireless. They ran off a 2.4 wireless signal, which is really bad. Depending on your setup, if you think if the router was next to you or something like that, it would just disconnect you. They sent me another one, and since it was brand new in the box, I sold it for full value of what the box was worth. Let me do it slow. It's not the same, but I heard the internet gets a kick out of this. So there we go. Another one. And then oof. Just missing Batman and the lawn. The sprinkler system. It's pretty heavy. Oh, okay. Looks like an aluminum case. Not 100%. I see the illusion they're doing there, so it's a very thin piece of metal folded. Nice aluminum folded down. Brushed metal. It gives you the illusion that it's mostly metal, but the weight of it is really impressive actually. It feels good. Like, it's a lot lighter than my old keyboard. In fact, I'm actually curious. I have it right here. Nah, this is actually heavier. Let me see. This keyboard is not wireless. It's a lot thicker. It's not wireless. Let me see. Yeah, it's like right behind it. You see the thick? Interesting. Very interesting. I mean, it's fine. I mean, this isn't going anywhere. And I mean, yeah, this won't move at all compared to this, obviously because of the weight, but it's not much of a difference. So, okay, let me see. It's got the same 4 degree, 8 degree standoff as before, which is pretty good. The only thing that bothers me is that the power switch is on the right and the USB, micro USB is on the left. I feel like it should have been either in the middle or the right, and I feel like this should be more hidden. Could have been probably a button right here. Having an actual switch for it, I think, is kind of weird. Could be my opinion. I think if I'm gaming and I'm going to shut it off, I would just rather push a button and shut the whole thing off. I mean, ain't nobody hardcore gaming going to hit any of these weird spots. And the USB could have been here, in the middle or the right, depending on the keyboard setup. If you're left-handed, I guess the argument will be better for you, because you have your mouse here and your wires going in one direction. I'm right-handed, so my wires will be going this way, so this would not benefit me. But having it in the middle gives it a neutral spot. I feel like, yeah, hey, they got it right. Keys. This is my first linear style. This is really interesting. I like the way it feels. It's really good. The lighting is not too bad. It turns on pretty quick actually. You can also put it on Bluetooth. Interesting. Different lighting options. I do like that they have the... Ooh, forgot to drop those. It has the memory. Memory 1, 2, 3, like memory record. So I guess you can hit this, record it, tap 1, and then always have the option to press it when needed. Since they're at the bottom, assuming you have to press that F9 key to activate it, input the command, press that to save. It's not too bad. Micro USB wire, good quality. I feel like for the price, they should have went to the old wire. Their old wire is much better. It's braille. It's really tough. This, you know, doesn't make sense why they didn't do this. Maybe to cut down on cost, but that's stupid. The amount of money you're paying for the wireless is not too different from what I paid for this. It's still a micro too, so I don't even have to use this wire. Since I'm upgrading, this would benefit me. Oh, wow. I would like to meet that engineer. Wow, I wasn't even planning on this, but looks like I am keeping this wire with this setup. This is pretty nice. I like this. Oh, let me slide that out. We don't need that. Honestly, I feel like there's better wires in this. It's very plasticky, a little rubbery. I feel like if you're gonna be moving your stuff around, this has a higher chance of breaking than this. This is much stronger, way better at folding on itself. And the stickers, obviously, they always give you, you know, instructions, how to keyboard. Stickers always a plus. Not a fan of the new logo as a sticker. And oh, keep playing. Now life is more fun when you play, more like you pay. No, it's too easy. It's whatever. Let's see. Four degrees is 100% pointless. There's no difference between that and flat. I mean, the amount of level that it rises, it's not even, it's literally that much. It's literally as big as this USB. That's it. Yeah. All right, let's test this. Oh, can't forget his buddy. Pair it up.
For the wireless mouse, I chose to get the Logitech Pro Superlight. It's very small and compact, but comfortable enough for a big hand like mine's. The packaging also includes grip pad stickers as an option, but I only used one of them, which I applied on the left click.
Let me open a quick program and just type something up. We're going to YouTube. Wow, that's actually really fast. I love this. Let's see. That response is really epic. Wow. Oh, okay. So I have this at 0. So I'm just gonna give it a flick. I'm already at 30%. Wow, this is really sensitive. I'm already at 0, 34, 44, 56, 76. That's why it's skipping so fast. It's not going down by 1. Goes down by 2s, and just play a random video from my history, doesn't matter which one. And let's see, play, pause, mute, unmute, next. Oh yeah, it's working. I'm gonna open up the GeForce menu. Not really giving me much options. Might need to download a special program for this one. Let's see what they offer me. It's pretty good. It's just not a bad setup overall.
Overall, they're a very comfortable pair for my new wireless setup. If you haven't seen that video of me building my computer, you can click on the link on the upper right. That's it for today's video. Please subscribe and then hit that bell. And if you like, please leave a comment down below. See you on the next video.